In this video, I'll be summarizing Open Up 7th grade Unit 4, Lesson 8, percent increase and decrease with equations. So our goal today is to be able to solve percent increase and decrease problems by writing an equation to represent the situation and then solving that equation. We're going to really pay attention to this structure. X percent of A is B. So let's dive right into some problems. Problem 1. Last year, 440 students took German, and this year there is a 25% increase in students taking German. How many students are taking German this year? So first of all, we can think about our double number line and try to come up with what's the 100%. Well, the original amount in this case was the 440 students that took German, so that should be our 100%. If there's a 25% increase in students taking German, I'm going to be thinking for what is that 125%. So with that in mind, I want you to try to set up an equation to solve this. So same exact problem, but using this structure, X percent of A is B, you're going to be thinking, oh, X percent, I'm looking for 125% of that original amount, 440. So 125% of 440 is B, and that's what I'm trying to solve for, my new amount. How many are this year? So I can change 125% to a decimal, 1.25, and recall that of is always multiply. So to solve this problem, I can simply do 1.25 times 440. When I solve that, I'm going to get that 550 equals B. Therefore, to answer the original question, there are 550 students taking German this year. Okay, let's solve another problem. All right, this one, when taking the highway to visit a friend, Matt travels 25% fewer miles than when he takes the back roads. He traveled 36 miles on the highway. How many miles would he have traveled if he took back roads? So again, if I think about my double number line here, I'm going to realize that 25% fewer miles, that's 75% of the original miles on the back road. So that 36 is going to line up with the 75%. And I'm looking for what is the 100% in this problem. Okay, so again, I'm going to try to transfer this to equation structure. And using, again, X percent of A is B. In this case, our percent that we know is 75%. Of some number we don't know it is 36. So 75% of that total, of that original, equals my 36. So if I'm trying to solve this problem, I'm going to change again to 0.75 times A equals 36. And to solve for A, I'm going to do 36 divided by 0.75. I get an answer of 48. That means Matt would have traveled 48 miles if he took the back roads. Okay. I'll have you practice some more on your own and see if you can get really good at writing your equations and then solving them.